Ever walked into a kitchen that just didn't feel right? In this video, we're showing you a full kitchen transformation, from a closed-off, awkward layout to a bright, open space designed for real everyday living. Here's a kitchen project we completed up recently. The original layout just wasn't working. It felt awkward, closed off, and not very functional for everyday use. So we decided to completely rethink the space. We relocated the kitchen to a better spot in the home and expanded it to give it more room to breathe. The goal was to open everything up and create a layout that actually flows. We also vaulted the ceiling, which made a huge difference. It really opened up the space and gave it a much lighter, more airy feel. We added a large island in the center, which now acts as the main hub of the kitchen. Great for prep, seating, and just bringing people together. To bring in more natural light, we installed new windows, which make the whole space feel brighter and more inviting. We paid a lot of attention to functionality too, making sure the layout works well and keeping a full 48-inch clearance around the island, so everything feels comfortable and easy to move around. Overall, it's a much more open, practical space that fits the way people actually live. Big difference from where it started. If you're planning to design a custom home or remodel your house, the most important thing is to think realistically and work with the right professionals. Hiring an experienced contractor who truly knows what they're doing can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. At DC Home Remodeling and Home Addition, we specialize in creating smart, functional, and high-quality spaces without the headaches. For a smooth and stress-free experience, give us a call at 703-980-3266 or visit our website, www.dc-homeremodeling.com. Let's build it right the first time.